I'm going to show you why Bitcoin is going to experience a 40% drop in price. You're not going to want to miss this video. Stay all the way through to the end. I'm going to make this short and quick and sweet and simple. I promise you. I'm not going to deal with the long-term time frame on Bitcoin because, guys, join the Discord. Is free in the link in the description below. I have my long-term analysis here in the long-term channel on my free Discord. I'll see you in there. But what we are going to do is zoom in to this topping structure and go over the wave possibilities as to what we are seeing here and where we can hop in our short. We're also going to look at the DXY and GALA because my homie Buddy Poppins commented on one of my previous videos. He wants to see GALA, and I like the comment. So you will see a GALA chart here today. Guys, leave a comment down below on what you want me to chart next. Stock, crypto, commodity, I don't care. I will chart it. Leave a comment. I'm an Elliott Wave trader, guys. I use Elliot Wave Theory. If you don't know what that is, then you're trading wrong. I'm sorry. Everyone needs to have a good foundation of Elliott Wave, and I'm going to show you why it is the best way to trade. Let's get into this video. If you don't know Elliott Wave, guys, I'm sorry. There's going to be Elliott Wave terms in here, but stick with me all the way to the end and join the Discord and you will learn. I have a finished wave 3 right here. This is the top of wave 3 for me. And we are in a wave 4 correction, waiting for another impulse to wave 5. Now, wave 4s are meant to shake everyone out, take their monies. They are notably difficult to trade. So I'm going to show you the possibilities of different counts that we are experiencing here. I will show you also my favorite count. And we will just go from there as to, you know, you're not going to nail this perfect, but just know that this is a wave 4 for me, and we have another spike for wave 5, and then we are coming down to party. Okay. Now, it depends on how you interpret this wave. There's a variety of interpretations. It is not clear cut, but for me, my favorite structure is an A, flat here, B, C. We have a flat here as a correction for the B wave, C, okay? Then I have a correction here, a crazy correction here, and another correction here. Then, so that's a correction done of this wave. I would expect this, this, and this. So that would be A, B, C. And you would have a finished wave 4 as a W, X, Y. Right there. Then you can get your impulse to the upside. Take out all this liquidity up here. Just grab it all. And then come down. It's my favorite count. That's what I'm playing. You guys can do whatever the hell you want to do. This is just what I'm doing. I want to see this liquidity down here at around 35.4 get taken out. I will be looking to flip long on the B wave here, and then we're going to come down, in my opinion, to these levels. Everyone's going to think we're going to be dumping here at this point, and then it's just going to kick to the upside. This is my favorite count. What other variations could we be experiencing? Well, you can have a finished correction down. You could have something like this to the upside, where this is gonna keep coming up right here, break this high, take out all this liquidity right now, and then come down in impulsive fashion, which would be just a larger flat. I'm gonna do this in WXY, but it would be a larger flat correction. So if we have a correction down, a correction up that takes out the high, there's going to be an impulsive wave to the downside. That would still get us to these levels that I'm looking at before another hit to these highs. But I really, really, really think that they want to keep this liquidity up here, because if people are short from up here and this starts dumping, you think they're going to exit their short? No, they're going to think that we're just going to hit down and just impulse down, and they just nailed the power short. So I think they want to build up as much liquidity as they can up here, and by keeping price under this mark right now, they will be able to just make a massive liquidity spot. People are going to keep shorting this all day long, and then have a quick spike up, take it out, and then come down. That's why the first one is my favorite option. But they could take the liquidity out here in the form of a flat and still do the same thing, and then come down and party. Okay, I'm going to show you one more variation. You can call this a finished ABC right here instead of an ABC here with the flat in the middle. Then you can have an A, B, C, and then you can still have a flat. Okay? No matter how you interpret it, no matter how you dice it up, expect some kind of a flat correction, or maybe like a triangle. Could this be some type of a triangle? Let's see. Maybe something like that. Maybe something like that. So we got boom, 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 boom. Let's go ABC, 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 ABC. So we got A, B, C, D, E. We could have a triangle form where we expect this, and then up, and then we die. Could have a triangle on our hands as well. Nonetheless, still a wave 4 correction, up, spike into wave 5. Then I'm going to zoom out real quick and show you where our 40% crash is coming in. So once that occurs and our wave 4 is put in up to wave 5 and we're done, I expect a nasty wave to come down, take out this liquidity here, just to coincide with a big flat correction, and then I would expect our wave out of here. And what is, it's 40%, guys. Okay, if we come and snap this liquidity and take that, everyone's gonna think that we're just gonna go, we're going straight to the depths of hell. But fear not, my friends, we will come back up another day. Let's look at DXY. With the DXY, as we know, it is inversely correlated with Bitcoin. As DXY goes up, Bitcoin goes down. As the value of the dollar goes down, Bitcoin goes up. So I have this drawn out ahead of time here on what I'm kind of expecting. As we can see, the RSI on the daily it's all the way oversold at this point, pretty much. Every time we're oversold, you're gonna have at least a correction. It's coming up. Now, why do I think this is the most probable wave structure? Let me get rid of everything. If this was to come down like this, I would have to consider this a flat correction for way more downside. And this is like this, right? And we're already so oversold that like there's no room to go down. I'm sorry, there's just not enough room to work with. Yeah, it can come down maybe like this, but I would expect at least a correction at that point. So with this count, you have an impulse. This wave is done from the top. Then you would have a correction up like this, with your RSI correcting up, creating divergence, which would be beautiful, and then see ya. See ya. So what would that look like? A run up when Bitcoin runs down, and a run down massively when Bitcoin runs up. I love it. GALA. Now, GALA is difficult for me to chart. I'm not going to lie to you. But what I can say is this. There is 100%. This is ridiculously accurate. There's a 100% of the time this has happened. It has never failed. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. It's 6 for 6. Could it fail this time? Yeah, but we're 6 for 6 right now. Every time RSI has topped out on the daily time frame for GALA and rolled over, every single time has been a top in GALA. Yes, we have been in a downtrend, but that trend was broken right here. Didn't matter. We kept rocking down. Oh, that trend's broken here. Is it going to matter? I don't know. But what I can say is we are topped. This has rolled over. This looks toppy to me. We could have one more hit to the high with Bitcoin. And then I'm expecting coming down to take out the lows. And then we can correct out of it and break up towards the side. Okay? It's just what's looking good for me. I would be cautious trading GALA right now. I'm looking short on most things. But again, this is a wave 4. Look, it's just they're stopping everyone out. They're taking liquidity here, bringing it down, taking liquidity here, bringing it back up, taking liquidity out again. I mean, taking liquidity out here. They're just stop hunting everyone. So use caution. This looks like a finished ABC. Could we get something like this now with Bitcoin? I like it. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Join the Discord. I answer everyone in here, guys. I'm in here all the time. I'll see you in there. It's free. Thanks for watching the video. I love you all. Goodbye.